Hey food lovers, it's Yummy Cook Bro. Today I'm making a super tasty homemade burger, Italian style. Let's go! First, slice some fresh onions. Add a little butter, mix it well until it turns creamy. Now add a pinch of salt and pepper for that perfect flavor. Next, let's make soft scrambled eggs. Just the eggs, cook them gently until fluffy and golden. Slice your tomatoes and get some fresh salad leaves. Now spread that onion butter mix on the burger bun. Add a slice of tomato and salad leaves. Add those fluffy eggs. Close the bun and fix it with a toothpick. Looks perfect already. For extra flavor, add some sauce or even honey for a sweet twist. And that's it. Our Yummy homemade burger is ready to serve. Try this at home and tag Yammy Cook Bro. More easy recipes coming soon. Stay tuned, bros.